Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In today's video, I will teach you how to deposit money from your Wisely card to your Cash App. First of all, you need to open your Cash App account. Then you need to click the profile icon in the top right. Scroll down until you will see linked banks. Click it and click this plus icon right here. Then you need to enter your Wisely card information right here. But if you don't have a Wisely card, you can do a simple thing. You need to click no card question mark in the bottom, and it will redirect you to the page where you will see a lot of banking institutions, and we need to search for Wisely. So in the search bar, type Wisely and choose Wisely, guys. From here, you need to click it, enter your credentials, and you will link your Wisely to your Cash App account. So once you will do it, then you can deposit money directly from Wisely to your Cash App. If you are interested in how to do it, you can open your Cash App again, click the bank icon in the bottom left menu and select Add Money, then Add Instantly, select the amount, click Continue, and if you successfully linked your Wisely account to your Cash App, you will see Wisely in the list. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.